To begin the breakdown process, you will wash and sanitize your hands and apply a new pair of gloves. Assign clean hand and dirty hand, and don't forget to wear a mask. With your clean hand, grab your polyacrylate and pour over any excess ink or fluids left behind on the tray. With your clean hand, grab the tip of the squeeze bottle and remove the barrier with your dirty hand. Place the bottle onto the clean table and repeat as necessary. Be sure to check the tray to ensure that there aren't any sharps left behind that could poke you during the breakdown process. Now you can assume both hands are dirty. Remove the bedsheet and pillowcase with dirty hands and be sure to remove all barriers from the procedure area. Don't forget to remove barriers from the seat lever, tray handle, the light source, and be sure to remove any plastic from electronic devices used during the procedure. Dispose of all barriers in the appropriate reciprocal located in the station. Remove dirty gloves and apply clean gloves. Grab the Meticide and fully saturate all surfaces located in the station and wait the appropriate amount of time for the Meticide to disinfect before wiping it away. Don't forget, when in doubt, Meticide. Meticide any surfaces that may have been contaminated, and artists should communicate with CX any areas that need special attention. Once you have finished wiping down all surfaces free of Meticide, be sure to deglove and sanitize before leaving the station. Once the station is dry, it is ready for the next setup.